Can this really save your G90? The Xiegu G90 is a great radio, but the one thing that many owners find out fast, it gets hot. This is the Radioddity G90-H1. It's part cooling fan, part stand, and it's designed to move air across the radio. So today I'm going to bolt it on, see how it fits, see if it's loud, and see if it actually keeps the G90 from getting hot. So this is a base that you could add to the G90. It has little legs that'll pop out. And you bolt the G90 to it, and it has a fan. This fan is temperature controlled, so it'll run on low when you plug it in. But there's this little brass piece right here that connects to the bottom, well, just touches the bottom to read the case temperature. So let's put this together. We have the brackets and the hardware, and these just bolt onto the side. Get all the pieces out here. The instruction manual is not too great on it, but there's not really much you need to do, so I think it's pretty easy to figure out. I don't think it's too hard to figure out. The only thing that I was curious of was how these brackets mounted, because you could put them on either way, but I think they need to set back. So we'll mount them that way and see how that works. I find it easiest to put the screw on the Allen head. Then stick it in the bracket and then onto the base. Snug it up till we get the next one started. Then we'll turn it around, give it a tightening. Now we just repeat it for the next side. I like to put my Allen wrench back in the bag so I don't lose it and put it back in the box it came in. Now we have the bracket with this clasp that'll latch it. So if you take a look, there's this bracket on the back, and that's designed for the ground lug on the G90. So you want to unscrew that a ways and then just set it over that spot of the bracket until it slides down, and then you can tighten it up. Fold your arms over and latch them in place. And now it's secure to the G90. Then we have the pigtail power supply back here. Just plug that Anderson Powerpole in. And now you're left, you could use two power sources. So you have your choice. You can use the typical Anderson Powerpole, or you have, I can't remember the name of this connector, but I think that's the older style that they used to run on the G90. Let me know in the comments what the name of that is. And now we have active cooling for our G90 to keep it cool with the higher duty cycle of digital. So let's use this infrared thermometer to test and see how hot the G90 is with and without the cooling fan. So I've been letting this run on FT8 running a few cycles now and letting it heat up. So let's see where we're at baseline. We're at about 37.3 degrees Celsius. So now let's take and put it back in the cooling rack. So now I've let the radio ran about the same amount of times as it did without the case, with the cooling fan on, so we can get a reading of the temperature. And we are about 30 degrees Celsius. So it is running cooler with the fan. So you might ask, how loud is the fan on this? And that's an honest question. You don't want something sounding like an airplane in your ear when you're trying to work the radio. So let's do a test of it. I've got a sound meter on my phone, and as you can see, I'm about 75 to 80 dB talking normally. So I'll hit reset so we can get a room noise. As you can see, we're averaging around 37 dB. So let's plug the fan back in. And we're around 50 dB, so we're adding around 12 to 14 dB of noise with the fan, but it is much quieter than talking. So even though it adds a little bit of noise, it's really not that noticeable, and it's definitely not going to interfere with your operating. So the G90-H1 cooling bracket can keep your G90 cool, possibly saving it. And the fan is not too loud. So have you noticed heating with your G90? And what was your solution to cool it? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.